No matter how good you look, most of us think, especially me, you know, I could look a whole lot better.
Oh, please. How can you improve on this?
Please.
There's nothing like years of teasing, or a bitter breakup to make us determined.
No, the teasing.
Or a bitter breakup is to make us determined to change for sweet revenge.
Yeah, revenge.
Take, for example, some of our favorite celebrities who suffered sour splits from their Hollywood hubbies. Gals like Jessica Simpson, who changed her hair color and plumped those lips after she and Nick Lachey were no longer a pair. And Reese Witherspoon dropped a whole lot of weight, as well as ex-spouse Ryan Phillippe, to take on a hot new image and a kind of look at me now, baby, revenge. But the one person who tops them all has to be Heidi Montag. Heidi, one of the stars of MTV's reality show The Hills, easily outdistanced the competition by what Us Magazine trumpeted as revenge plastic surgery. Montag, a 21-year-old aspiring singer, had her breasts enlarged from a 32A to a 32C and also had a nose job done in early April. She proudly told the magazine the reason for undergoing the double procedure was, quote, "People would say you have such a big nose, and they'd make fun of me for being so flat and say mean boy things like if you nailed 2 nails in a board, they would be bigger than you are. I was tormented." Heidi maintains she couldn't be happier with her new look, and neither could boyfriend Spencer Pratt.
Oh, that's good. Here to share their own stories of revenge plastic surgery are Melinda Farina, who had the last laugh after getting her nose done.
Welcome, Ali, who had liposuction to get even.
Also with us is plastic surgeon right there. That guy did Allie's surgery, Dr. Stephen Davis.
And psychologist Dr. Debbie Baggins joins us once again. Good to see you again. Melinda.
Hello.
They called you Gonzo.
Yes, it was horrible.
How bad was it?
Horrible, horrible. Well, I was saying that my story started from the delivery room.
That's what you used to look like?
That's yes, there it is.
Mike.
Well, people at home, that's the before.
Yeah, that
in
is.
the delivery room, would they have a hard time?
In the delivery room when the head was coming out, my father said, "It's a nose."
Oh. Didn't your family call you the nose?
Well, no, it was known as the nose in the family. So everyone, had its own title.
Do they not know that it came from them?
They do know. They all got rid of it. No one has the nose anymore. It's gone. It's gone.
The doctor in the delivery room, I'm going to need forceps here. We're having a hard time. We've got a nose coming out.
Yes, of life. Get the nose out.
And what are other names in high school? How bad did it get?
Well, I think, it started just progressing from elementary school to junior high school. Junior high school was probably the worst because you have these young boys, they're already nervous because they're trying to flirt with the girls and, so they're trying to hide their own insecurities by poking fun at everybody. So big nose, big bird, whatever it was.
So it finally just got to you, and one day you said, "Hey, I'm old enough to go get it taken care of."
Yes, and I found a phenomenal plastic surgeon, Dr. Sam Rizk, who's actually been on the show before.
Oh, yeah, I know Dr. Rizk.
Yeah, and he became a very good friend of mine, and I've referred about 50 patients to him.
How good of a friend. Oh, that's what else has he done to you?
Well, he is one of the best in the world, no question about it. So you have to land with a really good guy. And he did a great job.
I was so fortunate. And I actually, from having the surgery done, brought such a self-esteem over me that it was a confidence that I was able to go into the professional world and kind of get out there and start a consulting company for myself.
Because you feel better about yourself. But are you feeling better about yourself because you look good, or because you're able to finally look at those girls in junior high and go, ha, ha, ha?
Right. I think, it's
or
because...
Both.
I think it's a little bit of both. I actually ran into a couple of the girls who would, pass comments, and they asked for my surgeon's card.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, some creepy guys used to say to her friends, she's hot, but if she just had her nose done, she'd be even hotter. But you were hot before. Come on. You're very attractive. Allie, let's get into your story quickly.